All right. So, there are many of them who still have not done their work. I'm not too sure. Let me find out who is that. Hovia, I didn't see your work. Can you key in the answers now quickly? Okay, go and key in now right away. Okay, so first question, the packet drinks, they are sold in packs of 3. So that means for the entire 3 packets, the price is given to you. Okay, so this is meant to be $2.50 for 3. And if you were to buy each pack, $2.50 in the packs of 3, and each pack costs $2.50, you're supposed to find the number of packet drinks that can be bought with $15. So if the packet drinks are sold at a discount of 10%, so 10% discount means you are going to pay for only 90%. Okay, so for 90%, you just have to find out what is the okay. No worries. Cursing is okay. Just do whatever you can over there, lah. Oh, okay. Then, eh, gone again. Never mind. Okay, you are seeing my screen, just to confirm the PowerPoint slides. Thank you. Okay, so we have to find the 90% of the packet drink first. Okay, so let's take a look. So with a 10% discount, that's what we need to find. So with 10% discount of $2.50, it will give you a, what is that? 0.25. So 0.25 is called the discounts, right? So with the discounts, how much must you pay? You pay 90%. So the 90% will be $2.50 minus away the 25 cents, and that will give you $2.25. So this is after discount. Okay. So if you have a $15, how many sets can you buy? Let's check. Oh, let's check. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Gerald. Yes. So with this one, $2.25, you will need the $15 to divide each pack with a $2.25. So you're going to find how many sets, you see? So then you will get 6 and 2/3 sets in the way called sets. All right. So you cannot find 2/3 sets, but you can have 6 sets, right? So with the 6 sets, you must multiply by 3, which will give you 18 packet drinks. Okay? 18 packets for this. Okay. Number 2. All right. So, Howie, can you turn on your mic and show us how can you do this question number 2? The diagram that is made up of 2 triangles. Can you help us how you get down to this explanation? Are you ready? Howie, are you there, Howie? No response from you. Are you ready or not? You must be very ready one, because I can call your name. Any problem, Howie? Okay, never mind, Howie, look at the message. Just answer my question first. You okay. Just to tell you that all you want need to do is always be ready for the lesson. Okay. I would like you to what? Present it. Will you be able to do so? Yes, your answer is correct, 62. How you get down to 62, Howie? Okay. All right, never mind. Gerald? Okay, Gerald, later your turn, the next question. Okay. All right. Not because they plus, they are equal. Very good. Because there is this triangle called isosceles triangle, PQR. Okay, so PQR here is an isosceles triangle. Okay, for this. So with this isosceles triangle, you are saying that PQ is equals to QR. All right. So what if you know that this is equal? What can you do? Yeah. You can turn on your mic and speak over it. Okay, then this one is 62 as what you say. So this is only 62, but then they didn't ask you for this angle QPR. They're asking for QPS. So only this one that is here, they are asking for this, right? So in order for you to have this, you must have the other side here, which I'm going to color it in, maybe in this color red. Okay, now my question to you is how to find this color red, right? Okay, let's call. Okay, Gerald, are you there, Gerald? Can you unmute yourself? Okay, can you help us to find the red color angle of SPR? How to find SPR?
To find SPR, you must use 180 degrees minus 34 degrees minus 62 degrees plus minus 50 degrees.
Okay, can. Plus also can lah, in fact. Okay, so this is meant for this question. Thank you so much. Now, what is the reason to do so is because what they have, all the angles add up to be 180 degrees. Okay, so what is the next thing here is 346250. 3462. And you happen to have 34 degree. So when this is 34 degree, what is the next step, Gerald? How to find the green?
62 degrees minus 34 degrees.
Very good. 62 degrees. You must minus away the 34 degrees. Okay. That will give you 28. Okay. QPS. This is the one. Okay. Next question. All right. Can I have Marissa? Marissa, can you help us with this question? Read first. Okay. He said Ace has 145 less than Benny. Okay. So that means we are now looking at these two person, Benny here. Right? And now there's this Benny has more than Charis. So Charis is the third person. So A and C, you know that they have 309. So this is the total that they have. Okay. How much does Charis have? So Marissa, can you help us? How can I approach this question? Do you use model drawing to show your understanding? Can I use model drawing? Okay. So, okay, I'll help you with the model drawing for A's. That this is less than Benny, but Benny has more than C. Okay, so probably I draw a C, a very small one. So this is called A's, which is lesser. This is 145, which is lesser than Benny. But Benny has $180 more than Charis. Okay. So what can I do now? Oh, it's here. But why? I need explanation. Do you think you can unmute yourself? Make everyone equal to Benny. Okay, good. Okay, so that means you want to do something like this. So you're trying to tell me that you want to cut all into smaller parts like this. Okay, so that this one is 1 unit, 1 unit, and 1 unit. Okay, now will you be able to find out what is this portion here? As what you have written. Okay, let's read what, because they cannot see what you type. Okay, so the first thing first is you must have 180 minus 145. That give you 35. So for this one, it will be $35. This one will be $145. Okay, so I can erase this now. Right? And then I'm going to put this as 35. So then the thing is that you know the both A's and C, they have the total of $309.50. Okay, so what do you do now is, let me check what do you do. You have 2 units plus 35. That will give you the total. Because A's itself is 1 U and 35. C is 1 U. So technically, this one will give you 2 U plus 300 and plus 35 will give you $309.50. So in order to get down to 2U, let me check what Marissa say. Okay. All right, good. Okay, she also put it in such a manner that she said she want to use their total to minus the $35 here. Okay, now the reason is she wants to get rid of this extra box. Okay, let me show you what does that mean. You see, this is 1 U and this is 1 U, correct? So then after that, with this 1 U, and 35 here, okay, it give you, remove the extra box, and that will give you 274.40. And this is meant for 2 units. So in order to find 1 unit, you divide by 2. Okay, and you will happen to get 137.25 for the 1 unit. 137.25. Okay,